Queen's Wharf is a landmark project.
It's transforming the way we do things, it's transforming the industry as well.
We looked at Bluebeam and we played around with it a little bit. It was relatively easy to pick up. Now we've got a system whereby we've got markups done, we know who's signed them off, and when we're finished, we archive it into our QA folder.
It's really good for us to use overlays to compare where our documents are versus where shop detailers have actually drawn the design, identify discrepancies, see which one's right, and issue approvals so that construction can keep moving. We've got all of our stamps already set up in Revu so that it's just a quick tick at the end of the day once all of the checks have been done.
We used to have a collection of red-lined marked up drawings underneath people's desks without being passed around to other people for markups and so on, because it was a very cumbersome process.
There's always a new challenge, there's always a new problem to be solved, so that tends to be what drives me. And if there are pieces of software that help us solve those problems, that's very gratifying to be involved in that too.